So here's how to fix this app can't run on your PC for Windows 11 and Windows 10. So first what you want to do is make sure the piece of software or the app that you're downloading and using is supported by your system and have the same architecture. So first you want to right click on Windows logo, click run, and in here type sysinfo like that, press enter. Or you can search in the Windows menu here for sysinfo and open sysinformation or system information, and in here you want to see the system type. So if it says 64-bit, your system is 64-bit based, otherwise it's going to be 32. Now make sure the app you're downloading and using is the same as this one here. So you want to download 64-bit apps for your 64 system. But if you download 32-bit apps and trying to use them on 64 system, it won't work. So what you can do to solve this is first run the CMD as admin. You can either open the Windows menu here and search for CMD and run it as admin, then confirm. You can also right click and run terminal as admin, which is pretty much the same. Now in here we want to type sfc /scan now, press enter, and wait for this scan process to complete. This will basically scan your system and repair any potentially corrupt files. Now once the scan is completed and it reaches 100%, you can simply close this, and now go to the problematic app, right click on it, and then go to properties, and in here you want to go to compatibility tab. So first what you can do is run the compatibility troubleshooter, which will try to find the problems or the issues why the app is not running and suggest potential fixes. Now if this does not help you, what you can do is close this and then come to the compatibility mode and try check it, and then try to run this program under Windows 7 compatibility mode. You can also disable full screen optimizations and check run this program as admin. You can also click on change DPI settings and then check override high DPI and set it to application. Press OK and then press apply. OK, and then try to run your app again. Next, you want to make sure that Windows Defender is not blocking the app. So if you can run it like that, it's fine. Otherwise, what you can do is right click on Windows logo and then go to settings, and in here you want to search for Defender and then click on Windows Security Settings. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, and in here you want to click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. So what you can do is either disable the real-time protection like this and then confirm, or scroll all the way down and click on Add Exclusion and then confirm. And in here you want to add an exclusion, click on Folder and then navigate to where this app exe exists. So for example, if it's in a specific folder, which is recommended, you put it in a specific folder like this, and then add this folder to the exclusion list by that, like that. Select the folder and click select folder, and it should be added to this exclusion list. Then you can put the app inside that folder and run it, which will not be checked by Windows Defender and therefore will not block it. And that should generally solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.